What I'm trying to do here is wheelie over all of them in a controlled manner. That was not controlled at all. Because I said it's controlled, my brain goes, okay, uncontrolled, got it. Rubbish. Consistency. So what I'm practicing here is consistency, really. I can do it, just not consistently. That's rubbish. No, not even really a wheelie. Oh. Perfect. Perfectio. Come on! That was lovely over that one. You should be able to. That was better. That was better. Well, that is another 2.5 hours. No, not 2.5, 2 hours, sorry. Here 2.5 hours, 2 hours of riding. What a beautiful day. No cameraman with me today. So it's Wednesday. And drawn a bit of blood there on my hand. Calluses again. Problem. But we're getting there, we are getting there. Strengthening up, now it's just get the old technique right. So the physical side is starting to build up. I feel like I'm about 50-60% of the way there physically. It's all about technique thereafter, isn't it really? So I'm trying to build them both up at the same time. Oh, short episode this time, there's no cameraman with me. But please like and subscribe. And tune in next week for the next one. Hopefully we'll have weather like this. I am wearing winter motorbike trousers because I haven't got anything else. I'm a little bit sweaty, which probably tires you out a little bit quicker as well. That's my excuse anyway. See you guys next time.